Hello, good evening. Good evening, Jessie. Hello. Can you hear
Hello.
teacher? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello, good
Yes.
evening, and welcome again to our class for today. How are you?
Happy.
Happy. Very good. Did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. Now, what did you eat for dinner?
Eat chicken. Eat chicken
Wow.
and rice.
Chicken and rice. Wow. Is it
And
is it
rice.
is it fried chicken? Fried chicken?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh, wow, that's very delicious. I I also ate chicken and rice for today, but it's not fried chicken. So it is a Filipino food. It's adobo. Chicken adobo. Okay, so it's like a chicken soup, chicken soy soup. Okay, yes.
Got my
Uh,
soup. I just egg soup. Egg soup.
you hate
Egg
soup?
soup. Egg and vegetable first.
Ah, okay.
I
Egg.
like to eat egg and vegetable soup.
Wow, egg.
It's so
Egg soup.
yummy.
It's so yummy.
Egg, egg and egg and egg and soup.
Egg and soup.
It's so
Wow. Well, really? Oh, I want to try that. Okay, I will cook for that tomorrow. Egg soup. Okay. Oh,
apple bottle.
oh, it's so
Apple
cute.
bottle.
It's so
It's a
cute.
bottle.
This is my bottle. My bottle looks like just a normal bottle. So it has a
It
straw.
look like my daughter bottle. My
Yes.
daughter in a morning in the morning my daughter come here and at at noon and my daughter go home.
Oh. Your brother? You have a brother?
Yes,
Oh.
but it's not my house.
Oh,
Different house.
oh, different
Different house.
house. Is it your older brother? Older than you? Older.
Yes, yes,
Oh,
yes.
yes. Oh, is your brother already working? Is your brother working or studying also? Is Does he go to
Uh,
school or he is working?
no, no. He ain't working. He ain't
Oh,
working.
oh,
Working.
oh,
Working outside.
he is
Working
already
outside.
working.
I
Wow.
go to a bathroom to I go to a bathroom to along with you.
Wow, that's nice that you have a brother because I thought you are the only child in your house. You have a brother. Wow, that's nice to meet your brother. Okay. So now,
Here.
huh?
Outside not here.
Yes, he's not here. I also have a brother. I have an older brother. He is also working. He is also he also do not live in our house. He lives in different house.
Look like
So
me.
yes, we're the same. Okay. So now we have a new lesson, Jessie. So we are in our unit 3, which is all about birthday party. Birth
Birthday party.
Yes, very good. And can I ask you, Jessie, when is your birthday? Do you know what is or when is your birthday? Is it
No,
January, February, March, April? Hmm.
no.
I don't know. Teacher's birth
Yes.
teacher's birthday is last month, May 30. Yes. Oh, you don't know your
I don't
birthday?
know.
Oh,
Yes.
but do you like to?
Just my mother and just my mom and my dad and grandma and grandpa. We will 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 we know, but I don't know.
Oh, okay. But do you like to celebrate your birthday?
Yes, in
Yes.
Vietnam we say tháng một, tháng một.
How the Tamo? Is that correct? Tamo? 10?
Tờ T S A
THA.
N
TN.
S and and one and one than than
Tan. Tan.
and S one S no, one S one
H.
S yes
Tan.
M
M.
M
M.
M
M.
O
O.
T
T.
yes tháng
Oh,
một
Fan Mot.
yes
Oh, is that correct? Fan Mot.
yes
Oh,
yes
does that mean happy birthday? Happy birthday.
yes it's my
Oh,
birthday.
today?
No, it's
Ah,
my
no.
birthday, not today.
Ah, okay. That means it's your birthday. Than Mot. Than Mot.
Yes, yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. I will take note of this and I will greet you on your birthday. Okay. Okay, so now let's move on and proceed to start our lesson for today. So we have our lesson one, which is
1, 2, 3, 4.
okay,
1, 2, 3, 4.
what do we call those 1, 2, 3, 4? We call them as numbers. Numbers.
Numbers.
Yes, very good.
Numbers.
Okay, numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 until 100.
10.
Yes, until 10. Do you know how to count up to 100? Do you know how to count?
Yes,
Oh, really?
yes. But it's very long. I don't like.
Yes, it's very long because you have a lot of numbers. Okay, wow, that's very good. So
I
those
am
are,
one. I am one. I am one.
you are
I
only,
am one.
oh,
I
you are,
am one,
what? You're only
one.
one?
Yes,
Okay, so,
yes.
yes, yes.
I have two. My baby too.
Oh, who is your
My
baby?
baby. I
Who is
have
your,
a baby. In my home.
who is
In
your
my home, but
baby?
its name is T.
T?
The
Ta.
T E T
E.
E. No, letter Y
A
E.
Y. T. Y.
No, it's T. E like this. No,
How?
where's my E? E like this.
And this one.
Where is
Is
my E?
this is not
No, it's
E?
not.
Oh,
Yes.
I. Oh, this one. I.
Yes.
Ah,
D.
it's not E, it's I. So this one is
And
letter E.
my brother name is To.
Two?
To.
To?
To.
This to.
No. T. O. Yes.
Oh,
To.
only T-O? To?
Yes. To.
Oh.
And my name is I change a name. I change a name. It's Sữa.
Sua?
Sữa.
How do you spell that?
Sữa. C
Ah,
S
C.
S. No. Look.
S.
Yeah. No. Look like this. Where
O-
is my S?
Okay, okay.
Yes. You.
You.
U.
You.
Letter U.
You. Sorry. You.
Yes. A.
S
A.
A.
A. A.
A.
Sua.
Suwa. Oh, that's your name, Suwa. Suwa.
Yes.
Suwa. Oh, wow.
Look.
So your English
Just
name
have a
is
Sua.
Hab. Suwa. Is that correct?
Yes. My name is
Oh,
Sua. Sua. I changed the name. Not Jessie. Not
yes.
Simo. It's Sua.
Sue. Okay, do you want me to call you Sue?
Yeah.
Okay, I will call you Sue from now on. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Sue. So
One,
now let's
two,
go to
three,
three,
little bus. 4, 5, 6,
six,
little bus. 7,
seven.
8, 9, little dog. 10, little dog. Glee.
We have another two numbers. 11. What are these numbers? 11.
My little dog screaming Bundy over the hill in Bonway. Mother duck said, "Quick, quick, quick!" But the little duck came back.
Oh, is it all about duck? One little two. I only know fingers. One little two, little three, little fingers. Four little five, little six, little finger. Seven
I want
little
to eat
eight.
a. I
Huh?
want to. I want to eat an apple.
It's not the real apple. But it's so cute. Your tumbler is so cute. Or your water bottle. It's very, very cute.
Apple. A dog too.
Yes.
The
Oh, can
dog
I?
is a dog is have a wolf. It's have a
Wow.
good good little dog.
Oh, okay. So now, okay, let's go back to our lesson. So let's listen to these numbers. So tell teacher if you cannot hear the sound, okay?
Page 24.
Can you hear it?
Unit 3.
Yes.
Birthday Party.
Okay.
Lesson 1. Numbers.
Lesson one,
A. Listen, point, and say.
1, 2,
two,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
seven,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Okay. So now we have how many numbers? How many numbers do we have,
12.
Jess?
12
12.
number.
Okay, one more time. Let's
Teacher,
say
should they have a game? Should they have a game point and read the word? Should they have that game? Should
game.
they have that game?
I don't know.
Should,
What kind of
should they
game?
have game?
Do you want to play a game?
Yes.
Yes.
It's so funny.
It's so funny. If we finish this
Yeah.
lesson, we will play a game. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So now okay. Again, so let's read again the numbers that we have. Starting from 1,
1, 2,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6,
6,
7, 8,
8.
9, 10, 11, 12.
Wow, very good. One more time. Let's say this number. Let's say 12.
12.
V, v,
12.
12. 12.
12.
Okay, very good.
So
Nice.
12.
That's good. That's
So
good.
12.
Okay. Okay, that's good. So now, let's move on again to this number. What number is this?
One. It's 1.
Number 1. Now, let's take a look at the number 1. So, when we say 1, this is the first number.
Yay.
Yes. This is the first number. Now, Jessie, how many nose do you have? How many nose do you have?
1.
One,
No.
one nose.
Wait,
Very
wait. What it? What it?
It's like a pig.
it?
Oink, oink, oink. So one nose. So we have one nose. Very good. So next, what number? What number? Two, two, two. Okay. How many eyes do we have? How many eyes do we have? Do we have only one
No.
eye?
No. It's monster.
Yes,
Two
monster.
eyes.
Okay, we have two eyes. Yes. How about our ears? How many ears do you have? Do you
Teacher, look me. Teacher, look me.
Yes. We have two eyes,
I have two ears.
two ears. How
I
about your
have two
hands? Two
hands.
hands.
I
How
have two
about
legs.
very good, two legs? How about your eyebrows? How many? How many eyebrows?
Two, 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 two,
Two,
two.
two,
How
two, two.
many hair? How many hair?
That's so many. You want to count your hair?
Yeah.
We will count it very, very long. I think it's about millions. Million hair. You're counting your hair.
100.
That's a lot. 100.
It's
Okay.
very, very hot. In Philippines, it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot right here now. It's very hot.
It's very, very hot in
Yeah,
Vietnam.
there is no rain right now, even in here.
Wait me 1 more minute, okay?
Okay. What you'll do? Okay.
My
Okay.
van.
Okay. Oh, it's okay now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now let's move on to our next number. What is this?
It's 3.
Okay, one more time. Let's say 3.
Sorry.
Can you do it like this? Stick your
3.
tongue. Or put your tongue between your teeth. Like this. Then try to say 3. 3.
Sorry.
Okay, very good.
Sorry.
When you will say 3, you will blow like this. 3. 3.
Sorry.
Okay, very good. 3. 3.
Sorry.
3.
Sorry.
Okay, very good. So yes, that's right. That is how we say the sound, th sound. So this one, th sound. So we usually say it like that. 3. 3. The. So we stick our
Sorry.
tongue. Yes, we stick our tongue and then we blow it like that. 3. 3. Yes, you can practice that one for it to be smoother. So 3. 3.
Sorry.
Yes, 3 like that. Okay, very good. So now, how many pens? This one. Can you tell teacher what is this?
This is a pen.
Okay. How many pen do I have? How many?
3. You have
Okay.
3 pen.
Okay, I have 3 pens. With S or without S? This one. Pen,
Sorry. Pen.
pen or pens?
Pens.
Okay, very good. Nice. So we have 3 pens. So don't forget letter S. So if we are talking about two or more things, we should always add S at the end of the name of the object. Okay, so next.
Bus is yellows.
Oh, I think
Bus is yellows.
for yellow, so the plural form of yellow is only yellow, not yellows.
Why?
Because, um, how do we explain that? So because it is the most we have words that they have the same plural form as their original form. Like for example, we have sheep.
Sheep.
Yes, we do not say sheeps. No, 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 no. We just only say sheep. One sheep, two sheep, three sheep. We don't add s. So we call them irregular plural form. If I remember it clearly, those are the irregular, not irregular plural form actually. There are, I forgot the term, but there are words that doesn't have a plural form, like yellow. We do not call it yellows, only yellow. Okay,
Okay.
and also fish. Fish. Yes. We sometimes say fishes, but we only use it if we have different variations of fish or fishes. But if, for example, you know Finding Nemo?
No,
No, really? This one, let me show it to you.
I
You don't?
don't know this one.
Oh, really? You don't know the movie Finding Nemo? This one? They are
Oh,
fishes. You don't
yeah.
know? Really?
What
This is
is this?
a cartoon movie about this fish. This is Nemo. So he got lost in the sea. So they are finding Nemo. That is why the title is Finding Nemo. So this one, he is a clownfish. Okay. So
I
clownfish.
don't read already. I don't know.
Oh, you don't read? This one is Finding Nemo. If you watch it, it is a very good movie. Do you like to watch cartoons or do you watch cartoons? Do
What's
you
wash right to?
cartoons? No? Oh, you don't watch cartoons? Cartoons are children's movies. Children movies. Yes.
No, I
How,
don't.
how about how about Peppa Pig? You don't know cartoon? Really?
Cartoon? This. I know, I know.
Oh, you know
Cartoon,
it.
I, 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 I did that. Doraemon.
Oh yes, the Raymond. Yes, I like that. I like that movie. That's a very good movie, the Raymond. So it is the Raymond has a big pocket, right? Big pocket. So he has a lot of
Yes.
things in his pocket. So that is the Raymond. Wow, that's a very good movie. My other students, their favorite movie is also the Raymond. Okay, so next, let's move on to our next number. What number is this?
This is small.
Okay, very good. This is number 4. But for this one, Jessie, what is your favorite number?
Number 1.
Oh, really? Number 1 is your favorite number? Oh,
Yes.
my favorite number is 24.
Why?
Because it's close to my birthday. Yeah,
So what
24.
is 1, 2, and look like you.
Huh? Your favorite is 1, 2?
Yes, perfect is
Yes.
1.
Okay, that's nice. So very good. So this is number 4. So next, ha-
4. I can do a letter four.
How? Can I see? Oh,
Yes,
this one.
like this. Like this.
Ah, how? Oh, like that. Yeah,
I know
very.
how to do what you don't know. Like
Oh,
this.
I can see it number 4. Very good. How about 5? Can you do 5 in your hands? It's
Mhm.
hard. It's very hard.
Yes.
Number 5.
Yes. Look,
Oh,
letter
w-
5.
wow, very good. Number 5. How many fingers do we have in one hand?
10. 10. Oh,
In
five.
only one
5.
hand. Okay, very
Only
good.
5.
5. Only 5.
Look, a letter 10.
Wow.
I
How
know how to 6. 6 is so easy.
6.
Lambo easy.
Yes.
Easy, Lambo easy.
Yes. Oh yeah, that's also
Easy,
6.
Lambo easy. Easy,
Very
Lambo
good.
easy.
How about 7? How can you Oh, this one.
7.
7. Yes.
7.
7.
And it's very easy with
Oh, 8.
me. Two, two
2. Oh,
circle is like
yeah,
this.
2 circle.
8.
Do it like this
8.
one.
1,
8,
9, 2. 9 is like
9.
this.
Oh, how?
9 is like
Oh,
this.
like this?
One circle and one hand to like this. And one
Oh,
finger like this. Yes.
okay.
And
How
10
about
is
10? Oh,
very
10.
10
Easy.
is like this. 10 is like
Yeah.
this.
Oh, okay, like this. And 11. 11 is also easy.
And 12. I don't
How
know
how
how to
how
write
do we
12. I don't
how
know
do
how
we
to write 12.
how do we I also don't know how. That's 12.
I think that's 10 to 2.
12?
Like this. Like this.
We need
Uh,
we need another hand.
yes,
2
like
and
this.
1.
Like this. Like this. Like this. I
That's
do like
12.
this. Yes.
We need another
And
hand here.
this hand. No, like this. Okay.
Uh,
Very easy.
very
La
very
la
easy.
la. Why I don't know how to read to to use like this.
What
Hmm? 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 Why I don't can moving on my hand. Like this.
is that? It's very hard. What is that?
Pretty hard, but
Oh, we can
I know how to draw, but my hand is backward. I know how to buy, but my hand is backward.
yeah.
Cannot do it.
Yes. Okay. So that
Mhm.
is so
Mhm.
that is it's okay. So that is our numbers.
Three. Look, I read 3 already. 3.
Oh, 3. Yes, very good. How? How is that? Oh, this one.
Two
Oh,
like this
yeah.
and make. Yes, 3.
Okay.
And 1 is like this. Very.
One?
No, 1 is like
Oh, this one.
easy, Lamu
Yeah, one.
quizy.
Wow.
Easy,
Very
Lamu
good.
quizy.
Okay, very good. So that is our numbers. So numbers
So,
helps.
it's
Yes,
a bird. It's a bird.
it's a bird. Oh, is it a
12.
bird?
No, it's 2. It's a bird. Bird.
Is it a
Bird.
bird or duck? Bird or duck? It looks like duck. And this one, what animal is this? What animal is number 1? It's snake. Okay. Okay, so okay, so Jessie. Okay, so Jessie, so we will continue this lesson next Wednesday, okay? Okay. So what is happening to your hair? Okay. So we will continue this lesson next Wednesday, okay? So make sure to review all of the numbers 1 to 12.
3,
Oh.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11. What is after 10?
12.
Huh?
12.
10, 12? What is after
11.
10?
I said 11
Uh,
already.
okay, I didn't hear that.
Stop.
Okay. Okay.
Stop.
So
Stop.
okay, so make sure to review, okay? Goodbye. See you again soon.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye
Goodbye.
bye bye.
Goodbye. La 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 la. Goodbye.